Oh, hi. Yes, I am growing a goddamn beard, and yes, it's coming in gray because I'm a fucking graybeard. Also, coronavirus, and we're all gonna die. So, while we're all sheltering in place, I thought I'd take a minute and make a quick video about how to read pointers in C and C++ because a lot of you bastards seem to have real trouble with this. And I know it can be complicated when you have a pointer to an array or standard array of functions or standard functions that take arrays of ints and maybe a closure and return a car pointer that surprisingly turns out to be null and segfaults everything when you go and print it. I get that. But eventually, you'll figure out how to left spiralize your way through declarations like that if you're not a complete idiot, and you'll be okay. No, what I want to teach you today is how to really read pointers in C, C++. Here, take a look at this example. This seems pretty simple. What does it say? It says, I'm a programmer in my teens or 20s, and maybe I just got out of school, and I'm too green to use any kind of type-based naming convention, so I'll put the asterisky pointery thing on the name because I think it reads better. Never mind that your little gesture will be lost the minute someone goes to use it in any context that doesn't involve dereferencing, but, I get it. So that's that. How about this example? This is different. This says I'm in my 30s now, and I've written a lot of code, and suddenly I have a strange intuition that the asterisky pointery thing doesn't really belong on the name after all, but it doesn't seem like it really belongs on the type after all either, so I'll just hedge my bets. Oh, but now the name is naked and undecorated, so I'll put an underbar PTR on the end to make it clear. I guess this is a little better. The problem is people who write code like this also wind up lining up the asterisks most of the time in some kind of weird anal retentive thing I don't get. God help me. Finally, this example. Now, this is someone who's in their 40s or beyond, who's maybe written a compiler or at least a parser or understands parse trees and grammars and type systems and gets that the asterisky pointery thing belongs on the type because it is the type. And this person has enough experience to know that it's important to provide information at the point of use for the next programmer or himself in 20 minutes or herself in 20 minutes. So he prefixes the variable with pointer to string terminated by 0, PSE, or PSTR, or STR, or something, as long as it's consistent, because he's not E.E. Cummings writing a fucking minimalist tone poem in code like an asshole. Got it? Now get out of here.